Angkatan bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov 31 Agustus merilis, akibat dari kekalahan serangan Ukraina atas perintah pribadi Zelenskiy di Nikolaev, Kryvyi Rog, dan arah lainnya, musuh menderita kerugian yang signifikan. Tindakan efektif pengelompokan pasukan Rusia menghancurkan 48 tank, 46 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 37 kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 8 truk pick-up dengan senapan mesin kaliber besar dan lebih dari 1.200 prajurit Ukraina. Selama mengusir serangan musuh, pasukan Rusia mengalahkan unit-unit Brigade Serangan Gunung Terpisah 128 dari Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina yang dikerahkan kembali dari Ukraina Barat. 5 tentara brigade ini meletakkan senjata mereka dan menyerah. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia melanjutkan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Senjata berbasis darat berpresisi tinggi di dekat Alexandrovka, wilayah Dnepropetrovsk, mengenai titik penempatan sementara dan gudang amunisi Brigade Tank ke-1 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Lebih dari 200 pejuang, termasuk sekitar 40 tentara bayaran asing, lebih dari 20 kendaraan lapis baja dan sejumlah peluru artileri telah dihancurkan. Pemogokan terkonsentrasi dilakukan di dekat Konstantinovka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk terhadap posisi tentara bayaran sementara formasi legiun asing serta pos komando formasi nasionalis Kraken. Secara total 278 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.837 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 370 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.539 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 822 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.357 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 5.136 unit militer khusus kendaraan hancur selama operasi. Dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis sebanyak 350 prajurit Rusia meninggal dalam 24 jam terakhir. Secara total 47.900 prajurit Federasi Rusia gugur sejak awal invasi hingga hari ke-189. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelenskiy bersumpah merebut kembali wilayahnya dan mengusir penjajah Rusia dari tanah Ukraina.
An attempt by Zelensky regime to resume offensive in Nikolaev, Kryvyi Rog and other directions has failed. During unsuccessful attacks on Arkhangelskoye, Olgino and Ternovoye Pody, the enemy suffered heavy losses and was pushed back by Russian troops. Battalion of the 57th Ukrainian Motorized Infantry Brigade has been defeated near Sukhoy Stavak. The elimination of its remnants is currently being completed. 12 tanks supplied to the Kiev regime by Poland have been sent across the Ingulets River to unblock the Ukrainian Armed Forces units. Heavy fire from Russian troops destroyed some of the tanks. Several tanks blew themselves up on their own minefield in the course of disorderly retreat. Only 5 Ukrainian tanks were able to make it back deep into Ukrainian-controlled territory. During 2 days of unsuccessful attacks in Nikolaev, Kryvyi Rog and other directions, Ukrainian forces lost 4 combat aircraft, 2 Su-25S, 1 Su-24 and 1 MiG-29. 3 Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopters have been shot down in the air. Russian troops have destroyed 63 Ukrainian tanks, 59 infantry fighting vehicles, 48 other armored fighting vehicles, 14 pickups with large caliber machine guns, and over 1,700 Ukrainian soldiers. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapon strikes of the Russian aerospace forces on a temporary deployment point of units of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade near Druzhkovka in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed up to 50 nationalists and 9 pieces of military equipment. Concentrated strike on command post and ammunition depot of the 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade near Karlovka in Donetsk People's Republic has destroyed more than 40 Ukrainian servicemen and 12 units of special vehicles. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 10 Ukrainian command posts near Pervomayskoye, Dobryanka, Belousovo, Lozovoye, Novovorontsovka in Kherson region, Zelenodolsk in Dnepropetrovsk region, Artyomovsk, Soledar, Zaitsevo and Marvinka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 65 artillery units and 153 areas of manpower and military equipment concentrations have been hit. 3 missile and artillery ammunition depots near Ukrainka in Kharkov region, Cherkasy and Ivanodaryevka in Donetsk People's Republic Balik, as well as one Buk-M1 surface-to-air missile launcher near Dobrovolye in Dnepropetrovsk region have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 7 unmanned aerial vehicles near Chaplinka in Kherson region, Novoukrayinka in Zaporozhye region, Borshovka, Pervomayskoye, Kapitolovka, Izum and Krasnoye in Kharkov region. In addition, 57 shells of HIMARS, Olha and Uragan multiple launch rocket systems near Velikie Kopany, Beryslav in Kherson region, Antonovsky Bridge and Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power plant. In total, 280 Ukrainian airplanes and 151 helicopters, 1,844 unmanned aerial vehicles, 371 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,592 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 822 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,360 field artillery and motors, as well as 5,155 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. Kiev regime continued provocations throughout August 30, aimed at disrupting the work of International Atomic Energy Agency mission and threatening a man-made disaster at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. In course of shelling of the territory of the nuclear power plant by Ukrainian artillery, one shell hit the building of the solid radioactive waste processing complex. The shelling was carried out from the Ukrainian firing positions near Nikopol, located on the opposite bank of Kakhovka reservoir. The enemy artillery unit in the area was suppressed by return fire. Radiation situation at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal. The staff monitors the technical condition of the nuclear power plant and ensures that it runs smoothly.